Hello, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to show you some of the most unique lashes I have ever seen. These are so cool, so genius. So what I am trying out today are the Moitie New York lashes. So you probably already know that I love the Moitie lash system. They have a magic eyeliner that the lashes stick onto, and it's so secure and so quick and easy. And I also love that the Moitie lashes are segmented. So then you can get a custom fit, a custom shape for your eyes. But Moitie just took it to the next level and impressed me so much with these brown lashes. Yes, brown lashes, which to me are just so genius because I have naturally light lashes. And if I'm gonna wear black false lashes, I have to put mascara on my lashes, or else you can see my natural lashes with the black false lashes. But now that is not a problem I have to deal with. I can put my false lashes on without having to put on mascara, and I just think that is so cool. So here is what they look like. So you can see they're a nice kind of light medium brown color. And they're also amazing quality, beautiful lashes that are so fluttery. Like there's multiple layers, so they're really full, but they still look natural with that invisible band. And of course they come in 5 sections. So if you're not familiar with Moitie Cosmetics, I'll also have my other video linked in the description down below where I tried out their black lashes, which are so beautiful. They have so many different designs. But so a little bit more about this brand. They are very charitable. So 1% of all their proceeds goes to Global Fund of Women. Sorry if you hear some barking in the background. That's Dexter. But so speaking of animals, these lashes are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. They're made from 100% safe ingredients, which to me is really important for my lashes. Pretty much anything that goes around my eyes. Even though they stick on kind of like magnetic lashes, there's no magnets involved, so they're super safe and best of all, super light on the eyes. So comfortable, so they don't have the magnets in them that can make them heavy. And I will of course do the test, but these are long-lasting, waterproof, which is also so important to me when it comes to my lashes, because if I have to worry about my lashes coming off throughout the night, then that'll just basically ruin the night. But with these, they are secure. And these are reusable. They say they're reusable up to 30 times. So you know you're gonna get your money's worth. So basically, I just feel like this brand has thought of everything. They have covered every desire that you could want in your lashes. And even more so when it comes to the color of the eyeliner that you can use to stick the lashes onto. So of course I have tried out the black eyeliner. It also comes in clear, which is so genius, but it also comes in all of these shades. So a little disclaimer, I want to let you know that these were sent to me for free from Moitie, and Moitie is sponsoring this video. But of course my reviews are always 100% honest, my own thoughts and opinions. But so look, you can get a pink eyeliner, a purple, a yellow, dark blue, light blue, green, and brown. And I love their MagicStick Eyeliner just as a beautiful liquid eyeliner on its own, whether you're applying lashes or not. And I feel like I'm always talking about on my channel how tired I am of black liquid eyeliner. So I am so excited to have all of these beautiful colors. Why don't I go ahead and swatch a few of them? But I think for this video today, since I want to do more of like a natural lashes look, I think I'm going to use the brown. But of course I have to try out the pink. The packaging on it is beautiful. It's a felt tip, which is flexible. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Bright pink. Oh, I love that. And then let's try out this green shade. So it really does just seem like a normal eyeliner. There's nothing that makes it seem like it's adhesive or anything like that. So, oh my gosh, these colors are so vibrant and so pigmented. So wow, these are just awesome liquid eyeliners if you're looking for a beautiful colored liquid eyeliner. So here are those beautiful vibrant colors, and then I'm gonna use the brown, so I'll swatch that too. Perfect. It's a kind of like a warm tone brown that goes perfectly with the lashes. So it'll be a nice natural look that is perfect for my coloring. I'm so excited. I've never been able to find lashes like this before. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper lash line with the brown MagicStick Eyeliner. And of course, I use my Moitie light up mirror in all of my videos. I'm obsessed with this mirror. So there we have it. And it's a noticeable brown. It's not like it's so dark brown that it looks black. Like it's that warm tone brown, which I feel like will look so good with fall colored eyeshadow looks. Just getting fall vibes from this right away. All right, and then I also have the Moitie applicator. So the way you do it, you turn the lashes so that they're in the direction of your eyes, so you know which one goes to which eye. And I'm gonna start out with the outer segment here and gently pull that off. And you don't have to wait long at all for the eyeliner to dry down. And then I'm just placing this right in that outer corner. And it sticks on perfectly, sticks on immediately. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how perfectly the color of these lashes matches my natural lashes. It's like they designed them for me personally. They didn't, but it's that perfect of a match. The next segment. And then I just continue going along. I personally end up liking to apply with my fingers, but going along and applying them, I basically put them right next to each other, but you could space them out if you wanted to. And it's really easy to get them right on the lash line. And then for my eye size and shape, I end up only doing 4 of the lash segments. And for me, that's a perfect fit. Just the 4. And oh my gosh, these look so good because they look a little bit more natural, a little bit more toned down than the black lashes, but they still look so pretty and fluttery and glam. I love these. Oh my gosh. See the difference in my eyes? I just love what it did for my eye. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I love how this eyeliner holds so much pigment. It doesn't dry out at all. And I do not have good liquid eyeliner skills, but I can still easily apply this. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the 4 segments. Gosh, you see how that just stuck on so quickly? And since you're applying little segments, you don't have to worry about one end lifting up as you're trying to like press down one corner, then the other corner lifts up. I feel like that always happens to me when I apply lashes. So here we have my finished lash look. Gosh, I love these lashes. Like my natural lashes are completely disappeared when they're mixed in with these. It's so perfect. Oh, I just can't get over it. Like my mind is blown by these lashes. But now it's time to test them. I'm gonna make sure that they are windproof and waterproof and tug proof. You can see they have a nice hold. You can pull at them. So next I will insert the clips of me splashing some water on them and fanning them. So here I am in the bathroom and I'm taking my giant fan and Really doing a wind test. How are they? I think they're staying in place. They're like not even budging. And next, excuse the camera angle, but I'm gonna try and do a waterproof test. All right, let's see. Are they still on? Yes, I mean, it looks like no change in how my lashes are looking. Maybe they got, well, they look a little wet, but. Okay, I'm back. My face is a little wet from that water test, but the lashes are on. So I'm just gonna finish off the video by showing you how I quickly remove them. So it's very easy to just gently remove the lash. So here you can see there's the lash and it did not pull out any of my natural lashes. And then for safekeeping, I just like to stick them right back into the holder here. So I'm just removing each segment, a gentle little pull. So you don't have to worry about having any glue all over your lashes and pulling out your natural lashes, because that is the worst. It's so crazy how these are still stuck on, even though they're like soaking wet from my water test, but they're still stuck on. All right, and there we go. So quick and easy to remove. But then my eyeliner is still perfectly intact. But to remove that, you would just use your regular makeup remover. It comes off very easily. And I didn't do a little test here to show you no smudging, no transfer. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing something a little different when it comes to false lashes. I know I love finding innovative, unique products, and I feel like this is a perfect example of that. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.